per 100 per square meter. So what will be the cost of the entire area of the floor right now? So we'll be learning about such calculations.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll be learning about if suppose a fencing has to be done around a playground. Okay, na, and the cost of fencing for just 1 meter is, let's say, $1, or like, let's say, 80 rupees, right now. So if suppose the entire boundary of the field is given, so what will be the total cost for fencing around that field? So such calculations also will be able to do. So cost calculation is also one of the things we are going to learn about in the chapter. First of all, if you were to talk about area, look at the given figure here. Look at the given figure here. How many squares are there in total in this?
16.
That is 16, right? And that's a 16. Good. So there are total of 16 squares over here, right now. And suppose that if each of the square here have 1 unit area, each of them have 1 unit area. So since there are total of 16 squares, so 16 times unit area, 16 times 1 squared unit area, it means that the total area is 16 square unit. Getting it? That is total area will be 16 square unit.
Yes, sir.
But what is the literal meaning of area? So the literal meaning, the simple meaning of area is simply the space enclosed by a 2D shape, not a 3D shape, only a 2D shape, a shape that has only length and the breadth. Okay, na? That have only two sides. Like suppose you have a sheet of paper, so that sheet of paper must be occupying some space. Na? If you have a sheet, who's there? Oh, Nafis, calling Slam. Why have you joined late? Did you join earlier or not? Was that you or someone else?
Sir, I forgot.
Okay, anyways. So suppose if a piece of paper is given to you, so this has this has sides, no? This has, it is a two-dimensional shape, right? Now it's a two-dimensional shape. It has a length and a breadth. Getting it? So
Yes, sir.
it is taking some space. So the space enclosed by this 2D figure, 2D shape is what we call as area. Okay. What will you guys say about this one? This also has a area of how much?
16 square
16
units.
square units, right now. So that too has a 16 square unit area. Okay. But since it will be very difficult now to always count these squares, if suppose a very big square were to be given, okay, now 10 times bigger than this, so you cannot uh, like, we will not count all the squares now. If such a big figure is given to you, it will waste so much of time, right? Now, so we cannot
Yes, sir.
count all the squares to find the area. So rather than doing that, what we will do, we will basically multiply the sides. We will multiply the sides. Okay, now say that each of the, since all of these are squares now, squares have same length and breadth now, all the sides are same now. Say that
Yes, sir.
this is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Okay, let me write, these are all 1 unit areas, I mean to say side. That's also
Sir,
1 unit. We have 1 unit length, basically it means. Okay, 1 unit of length.
that's 1 unit of breadth.
So in total, what is it? In total,
4.
it's 4 unit, right? And that
Yes,
is
sir.
also
4 units.
4 unit. So rather than counting all the squares separately, how about we basically multiply these sides now?
Multiply both 4 into 4.
So that's going to be equal to 16 square unit. So which one is easier, multiplying the sides or counting the squares?
Multiplying the sides.
Exactly. So we have two different formulas for different shapes. Okay, now if a figure happens to be a square where all the sides are equal in length, so we will basically multiply the two sides together. Even in the case of rectangle, although the length and breadth are different, even then we will be basically multiplying them. Okay, so that is how we get it. Then there are various uses of area in our day-to-day life. Okay, now suppose you have went to market and you have to purchase carpet for your home. Okay, now you have to purchase carpet for your study room, right now. So will you just randomly buy any size carpet, or it
No.
has to be equal to the size of the floor of your
Yes.
room,
Yes, sir.
right now? So first you will
Equal to the side.
exactly very good. So first you will find out what is the area of your floor, and then you will tell the shopkeeper, I need exactly carpet of this size. Or suppose if you have to paint the walls, so first we need to understand like what is the total area of the walls, right now, total area of the room. Then we
Sir,
will go to
lay
the
tiles
shopkeeper,
on the ground.
exactly laying tiles on the ground. So that will actually help you in calculating the exact number of tiles that you have to purchase.
Yes,
Getting it?
sir.
Suppose this is a room, this is the floor of your room, suppose. Okay. And it has an area of, let's say, 100 square unit. 100 square unit. Getting it? And let us just say that one tile has an area of, let's say, 10 square unit. How much? 10 square unit.
You
So
need a
mhm,
you need a 10 tiles.
exactly, by dividing the total area of the floor of your room with the area of with just one tile, you are able to calculate how many tiles you need now. So you
Yes,
need
sir.
10 tiles. So in daily life problems, we have use of area. It's very important. Even if you have to paint the walls, like first of all, you will find out what is the area of the given place. You will go to the shopkeeper. They have this idea like for a given area, how much of paint will be required. Whether you have to do one coating, two coating, or three coating of paint, they will tell you based on that. So that was a brief introduction about area. Another topic is basically perimeter. So perimeter is basically the total length of the boundary of any given figure. Okay, na? Any given figure, any given pentagon, regular pentagon, I mean to say regular
Sir,
polygon or
any
irregular
given
polygon.
2D figure.
It has to be 2D figure, exactly, right now. So if it's a rectangle, suppose, whose length and breadth are given as follows, so its perimeter will be what? The
2
total sum
into
60.
of,
L plus B.
exactly, we know the formula as well. Or even if someone, let's say, does not know the formula, so they can simply add all the boundary now, add the measurement
Yes,
of
sir.
all the sides. So that is 25 plus 25, 50, and 5 plus 5, that is 10, and hence it's equal to total of 60
60.
meter. That's
Yes,
the
sir.
perimeter. So perimeter is simply the sum of the edge of the lens. Okay. So we are not only having uh, shapes having four sides, but we have pentagon, we have hexagon. Right now we have a heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Shapes having different number of sides. If
Yes,
the
sir.
shapes happen to have same number of sides and they are regular polygon, you guys know that in a regular polygon all the sides are of equal length now.
Yes, sir.
All the sides, they are basically measuring same. For example, square is a regular polygon, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Triangle.
Yeah, triangle also is a regular polygon. Very good. But which one? Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Regular polygon, I believe you guys understand. I'm writing
Yeah.
it over here.
Yes.
All the sides and the angles are equal. Regular
Yes.
polygons, so all sides, they are equal, and all the angles are also equal. So we have equilateral triangle, we have a square. After that, we have pentagon, then
Hexagon.
hexagon, then
Heptagon.
heptagon.
Nonagon. Nonagon.
After heptagon, you have octagon, no?
Oh, okay.
Right? How many sides have we got? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, like that. Okay,
Then octagon.
exactly. Then we'll be having octagon. One, two,
Nonagon.
three, four, five, six, seven, eight, octagon. So it will go on. So if you have to
Then
find out, let me write the name of some of it actually. That's pentagon. This one was hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. And this one is equilateral triangle. equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
So all of these are examples of basically the regular polygon. How do you find out their perimeter? By basically multiplying the given number of sides with value of one of the side. Let's suppose that if each of the side measures 3 here, right now, so thereby, like let's say it's 3 meter or 3 centimeter, suppose 3 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter of this equilateral triangle? It will be number of sides multiplied by its length.
2xLB.
No, that's a different thing. Number of sides, how many sides are there? 3 now. What is the
Yes.
measurement of one of the sides? Let's make it 6 to avoid confusion. So 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18 meter, say 18
18.
centimeter. Suppose if one of the side of the hexagon is given to you as, let's say, 8 centimeter. So you know that all the sides are going to be same now. So what will be the
Yes.
perimeter of this hexagon?
1, 2, 3.
Don't count it, use the formula. How many sides are there? Yeah, Habib.
6.
6 sides are there now. What's the
6.
measurement of one of the side, one of the length?
8.
8 no? So that's going to be 48 centimeter.
48.
In this manner, we can easily calculate it. So for perimeter of the polygon, we basically can either add all the sides together, or we can basically multiply the number of sides with the given length. So that was about it. Okay. Can we call rectangle a polygon or not?
Correct. No.
Why? It's a polygon, no, but it's an irregular polygon.
Yes.
Its size is not equal.
Yes.
It's
Sides
not
are
a
not
regular
equal.
polygon, but it's a polygon, right now. So for calculation of the area, for calculation of the perimeter of the rectangle, we have the formula 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Or simply, it can be written as 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, like this. Okay, that's the formula for it. As for the square, which is basically a regular polygon, so we have just learned that, right?
Side into
4
side.
multiplied by the length of this. No, that will be area now.
Yeah.
We're calculating perimeter, no? So total number of sides, that is
4
4
into side.
multiplied by length of a side. Getting it? So that is it. Then we have some other figures also, which we have just discussed. Like for triangle, it will be sum of the length of all the 3 sides. Regular polygon, we just learned number of sides multiplied by length of one of the side. Then we have various daily life example, or daily life use of perimeter. If we have to
Like
fence a garden,
wrapping up border.
exactly,
That.
getting it. So they are some real life examples. Okay, we will do few basic questions, then we'll get back to the exercise. Okay, na?
Okay.
Say that a question is given that the area of a square is given to us 81 square centimeter. Area is given as 81 square centimeter. Or we can also write this as 81 square centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of the square. Okay, na? Perimeter of the square. It's an interesting question. Try to solve. Let's see what do you guys get.
I've done this in my test, so I should know this.
You should. In the test, similar kind of question was given, but with different values.
Yeah.
By the way, Nafis, try not to upload 2 sheets. Like try to capture the picture of the sheets separately. Okay, and not take pictures of 2 pages at once.
Okay.
Okay, na, in your test. Okay. So what do you know about the area of a square? How do we calculate the area of a square?
4 multiplied by 81.
No. What's the formula to calculate area of a square? Area of a square. Yeah, Habib, what about you? Have kept your camera off. Look, what's the formula to calculate area of a square?
For area of square, it's side into side.
Side into
Side
side, no?
into side.
So thereby, side multiplied by side That is equal to 81 square centimeter. Okay. All right. So what must be the value of the side so that when it's multiplied by itself, it gives you 81? Huh? Think about it.
Sir, we can divide 81 to 9, so that will be
9. Basically, the simple logic here is that which two numbers, which number must be multiplied by itself? All the sides of a square are same now, right now? Like any two sides
9 into
multiplied
9.
exactly 9 into 9 now.
yes.
So that's 9, 9. So 9 multiplied by 9 is giving you it. So basically, since 9 multiplied by 9 gives you 81 square centimeter over here, so hence the length of side is equal to 9 centimeter. Now, when you have found out the length of the side, is easier to find the perimeter now?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me the
So we
Yes.
have to do 4 into 9, that will be 36.
Third.
36 exactly. 4 times the length of the side, hence that's going to be 4 times 9, that is 36 meter. 36 meter or centimeter? Centimeter, that's going to be.
Centimeter.
Okay, that was a good question. Okay, these questions, let's do that one also. Okay, now. By the way, this will be the second time that some of you will be doing it. Anyways, we will get to revise it. Sarah has a rectangular
Yes, we
garden.
have done this already.
Yeah, we have done this question already. Okay, like some of you might not have, like Khaja hasn't done this question. Okay, na? So I'll be I'll be assigning this question. Okay.
Okay.
This question goes to your Laksh. Okay. That one's for you, Habib. Habib, as I said already to turn your camera on, na? And this one is for you, Khaja. Okay.
Okay. So do we have to do it now?
Yeah, right now you guys have to do it.
Okay.
Sir, for my question, the answer is 10.7 meters.
10 point.
7 meters.
Okay.
1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Yeah, it's 10.7.
10.7. Okay. So this is 4 meter, 3 meter, 2.5 meter, 1.2 meter. Okay. How much is this? How much have you written here?
Wait a second. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, you forgot about these two actually. Hmm?
Yeah, 1.5 and 4 is 2. Yeah. Oh,
This one is going to be how much?
2 centimeter, and then that's 1.5. So 2 and 1.5, 2,
Sir,
12,
I got my answer.
11, 10, 11, 12.
Hmm. Yeah, I will
So
get to you in a
it
minute.
will
Yeah,
be
please.
13,
So
10.
13.
No, sir, 13.2. Wait, let me check.
Okay.
10.7.
Yeah, Nafis, tell your answer. This one
So
was given to you, no? Huh.
to divide 25, uh, we have to divide 25 to 5, so that will be 5 meters.
Exactly. 5 meter. Well done.
Sir?
Yeah.
my answer is 14.
14.
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 into 2, that is 14. Okay.
Sir, 14.2.
14.2, you're saying. That's, Laksh, right?
Yes.
Others also look at the given question here. It's an interesting question here. See, that is basically a vegetable garden, and Ciara needs to fence around this garden. Okay, now so the measurement of these sides are given, but these two sides are not mentioned here. Okay, so say that if this much is equal to 3 meter, right now this much is equal to 3 meter.
Sir, I
Also,
can see the question.
yeah, hold on. You guys can see this one now where I'm pointing.
Yes.
Uh, So you guys look at this much. That is 1.2 meter, right? 1.2 meter. Okay. So we will we will cut out 1.2 meter from here also. Let me write it again, 1.2 meter. So how much is this much left? How much is this one? 3 minus 1.2. That is going to be 1 point. How much? 1 point? Anyone? 1.8 meter, no? Look, pay attention here, no? Look over here. So this much is 1.2 meter, which we have matched from this portion, like from this side. Okay, no? So this is 1.8 meter. So this what much is also going to be 1.8 meter now. Look, 1.8 meter or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then look at this much here. This much is 2.5. This much. So this much will also be 2.5 now. This much will be 2.5. And since the total length of this side is 4 meter, so how much will be the remaining length of this much? Actually, we are trying to find the length of this side here, which will be basically equal to the length of
Sir,
this much portion. Yeah, Habib, just hold on 1 second. So that will be 4 minus 2.5, and that's going to be 1.5 now. Talking about this one, 1.5. Now we are going to add it up. 1.5 plus 4 plus 3, 2.5, 1.8, and 1.5. All of you try to add it quickly and tell me the answer. 1.2 plus 1.2, then plus 4 meter, 4 only. 3 plus 2.5 plus 1.8 and plus 1.5. Yeah, let's add it up quickly. Yeah, Habib, tell me what you were saying.
my answer is 45 centimeter.
45 centimeter for this question. Okay, let's look at the question. The question here says that Brendan needs to cut out a 10-sided star, and each side of the star, yeah, that is clearly 45 centimeter. Very good. 4.5, 10 times 4.5, and that's going to be 45. Okay. If someone in the class without any issue, without any network problem, will keep their camera off, I will have to talk to their parents then. Yeah, how much is this? 1.2.
6.7.
10 centimeters.
Repeat
No.
again.
6. No. 7.7.
Sir, I got 14 centimeter.
14 centimeter for this much. Okay, look
For the
again.
whole.
Look again. Okay, let's first of all add the non-decimal numbers. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, then 7 plus 1.8, 8.2. 8.2 plus 2.5, that is 10.7, no? So after this, till here we have got 10.7. Let me tell you again. 1.2 plus 4, 5.2. 5.2 plus 3, 8.2. 8.2 plus 2.5, that is 10.7. Okay, now? So now we have 10.7, 1.8, and 1.5. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So we will write the 0 here. 2, 3, 4, that's 14. Very good. Who said 14? You said Nafis, right? So that is 14 meter. Look, is it clear to you and to others, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So we have to be a bit careful while solving such questions. Okay. Okay, now from the NCERT exercise, we already have done some of the questions actually. Okay.
Sir,
You
we have
guys
done all of the questions.
Yes.
not all. Oh yeah, from these 2 pages we have done all the questions. Okay, now. Uh,
Yeah.
Raja, this chapter has not been done in your school, I believe,
Yes, sir.
right now.
Yes.
Okay. So you do one thing. I'll be
Yes.
assigning different questions to you guys, Nafis, Laksh, and Habib. And Khaja, you will continue solving some questions from the one which I'm going to assign you. Okay, now we will
Okay.
discuss it together.
Okay.
So also you guys please tell me, we have discussed this one also, I believe, right?
Yeah.
But from
Yes.
this one, as far as I can
Yeah, we
recall,
didn't go from that one.
Yeah.
One you're
from
pointing.
Yes.
from this one we haven't done, right? Okay. So how about I put the screenshot here, and you guys do it also on except for you, Haja. Okay, now you three will be doing it. By the way, you
Okay.
guys, let me remind you about how do we calculate the cost. Okay, now some of the important thing to keep in mind is that whenever we have to calculate the cost, if the question is talking about area, okay, na, if the question is talking like total area of a given, listen carefully, if the total area of a area, total area is given to you right now, and suppose question is mentioning we have to paint that area, and cost of painting per square unit area is given, or we have to lay the tiles over that floor, over that area, and the cost is given, and then entire total cost is asked. So total cost will be equal to either total area multiplied by the rate. Okay, na? Like here you can see rupees 8 per 100 square meter. What is it? It's the rate. It is rate. Okay, na? So either you will use this method, this formula, or suppose if it's perimeter that is given in the question, suppose if you have to, if fencing has to be done around the garden, around a playground, okay, na? So then how you will calculate the total cost of fencing if the rate is given to you? So first you will find out the total length of the boundary, that is the perimeter simply. Then you will multiply it with rate. So these two formulas you have to keep in mind while you are solving questions from this one. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to put the screenshot while you guys will be doing it. Okay,
It's there.
everyone have to do. Yeah, it's not that difficult. Even if you guys find any difficulty, I'm here. Okay, I have shared the screenshot. Now, Khaja, you pay attention here.
Yes, sir.
By the way, these questions we will be doing only some of the important question from this one. The remaining ones that I will be leaving in a Khaja, you will be required to do it at home. Okay?
Okay.
And you can ask doubts in the class then.
Okay.
Look at the first question. It's a simple one. We have to find the missing terms here. Okay? You guys have got the screenshot or not? It has been sent, so please start solving it. So perimeter of a rectangle, okay, is given to you as 14 centimeter, and then breadth is given 2 centimeter. What will be the length? I will solve one of the question for you. The remaining one you will try yourself.
Okay.
Formula to calculate the perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth, right?
Yes.
And that in the question, according to question, the perimeter is 14 centimeter.
Yeah.
Then what's mentioned in the question is the breadth, but the length is not given. So breadth is how much? 2 centimeter, no?
2 centimeter.
Okay. Also, you know that if there's some number or a variable outside the bracket like this, so that number is in multiplication with all the numbers or the values inside the box, right? 2 is in
Yes.
multiplication with length, 2 is in multiplication with the breadth given here, that's 2 centimeter.
Yes.
Where should I write? I'm going to write over here. Okay, look over here. So that is 2 times length plus 2 times 2, that is 4,
4.
equals to 14. Then I will send the 4 to the other side of the equal sign. So when it is changed from one side to another, now what happens? We subtract it. Here it was an addition, now 4 was an addition. When you are
Yes.
sending it to the other side, it comes into subtraction with 14. So 2 times length is equal to now 10.
10.
Then 2 here is in multiplication with L. Always keep this thing in mind that whenever any number, also like here 2 was in, you have multiplied 2 with length, right? And then we
Yes.
have written it 2L, right?
Yes.
Now we are going to
Sir,
move 2 to the other side. Hold on, Habib. Now we are going to move 2 to the other side. So that's going to be 10 divided by 2 now. And hence
5.
length is equal to 5. Understood it?
Yes.
Okay, na? If you have, solve question number C.
Okay.
Yeah, Habib, tell me.
Sir, is it question number 2?
Question number 2. From the screenshot which I have shared, there are a total of 4 questions in that, right?
Yeah.
You will start from solving first question now.
We have to solve all questions.
Yeah, you have to.
Okay.
Nafis and Laksh, you guys are done with the first question given to you?
Yes, sir.
The area of the rectangular garden, as I can see here, it's 25-meter long. Area of rectangular garden 25-meter long is 300 square meter. What is the width of the garden? So that's simple, no?
Yeah.
Find it out.
Sir, which one?
I'm done.
First question.
A.
Who's done?
Sir, me Laksh.
Tell me the answer, Laksh.
So the answer is 12 meters.
Very good, very good. Move on to the next question.
Sir, which
Others
one?
also
B
solve
or
it.
C?
B or C? Kaja, you are asking or like who's?
Sir, I have a doubt. I have to do C in my what do you say, rough book.
Yeah, you have to. Do it
Okay.
quickly.
Okay.
Sir, question number 2 also done.
Then, okay, hold on. Nafis, you were saying something?
Sir, I have to do question 1.
Everyone have to do all the questions, no? Everyone of you have to
Sir,
do.
I left for 2 minutes because here in India, like
Okay, no worries. I
okay.
get it.
Yes, sir.
No worries. Let's continue with question number 1. Yeah, Laksh. The second question, what is the cost of tiling a rectangle plot of 500-meter long and 200-meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? Yeah, what's the answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, for me, for my answer, I'm getting 1 lakh, then divided by 100. Yeah, I'm getting where is it? Yeah, I'm getting 800 rupees.
What? How can you be getting 800 rupees only? No, it's going to be way bigger than that. Roger, have you written the question number C?
No, sir, not yet. I'm still writing.
Okay, write it fast.
Okay.
Look, in your question, in the question which was solved, in the second question which have been given to you guys. See, the question is, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot? A plot whose length and the breadth is given to you. Length is 500 meter. Breadth is how much? 200 meter. Okay. So we have to do tiling of this rectangular plot. Tile has to be laid over it. Okay, now. So first you will be required to find the total area of it now. The rate is also given to you. Rupees 8 per square meter is given to you. The rate is also given. So question was basically asking you to find out the total cost of laying the tile over that rectangular plot. So what formula did I told you?
Oh, sir,
Total cost.
it's actually 8,000, I think. 8,000.
It will be way more than that. Total cost multiply total area. I mean to say, total area multiplied by rate will be giving you the total cost now. So area will be how much? 500 times 200 length into breadth, right now? Yes or no? So 5 twos are 10 and then put all these 4 zeros. So that is the total area which we have calculated here. Then you will multiply it with the rate now. Rate given to you is 8 rupees 8 per 100 square meter. Right now?
Sir, it's 100 square meter.
100 square meter. You were saying 8,000, then that will be correct. It's mentioned 100. Hold on. Where is it?
Sir, I should say the answer of B.
Second question, if you have got the answer. So for 100, it will be, we are
Sir,
going to first calculate this. We are going to take this 1000 square meter of area. Okay, now then we'll multiply it by 8, and that will be 8,000 rupees. 8,000. Let me clean it first. Yeah, tell me, Nafis.
Sir, I should say the answer of B and C.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I've got the B answer. It is 5 length. No, sorry,
Hold on.
side.
5 you're getting for this one.
Yes.
So perimeter is given to you as 12 meter. Okay. Length here is 3 meter, and you need to find the breadth. Okay, now we need to find the breadth.
okay.
So as you know, for the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 times length plus breadth, and here it's given as 12 meter. So you will be required to put the value of the length
No,
here.
sir, for B.
Question number B, you are saying.
Yes.
For that, it is correct, then 5 centimeter. Very good.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I'm stuck at question the first question C. I don't know how to solve it.
Okay. Let me help you then. See, perimeter of the rectangle is again given to you as 12 meter here. So we have written 12 meter and the formula here. Length given to you is 3. Breadth is not given. That is
Sir,
what you're
is
required to
the
find.
breadth 2?
Breadth is 2.
2.
No. Breadth, how can it be 2? If it were to be 2 now, so when you will put the value 2 here, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 5 multiplied by 2, that will be 10. Getting it? So it will be different than that. Okay, now. So perimeter of a rectangle is given to us 12 meter. Length here is 3 meter, right? 9, 10, 11, and 12. Hold on. If you have a rectangle, try to visualize this also. This is the length. This is the length. 3 plus 3, 9. Right now? If 3
Yes.
plus 3,
Sir, I'm
sorry,
done
3
with
plus 6, I mean to say.
thing.
Hold on. So if these two sides are 3 plus 3, that is 6 here. So these two sides must be also equal to 6 now. Then only 6
Yes.
plus 6 will be equal to 12, and that will be the perimeter. So here you will find out the breadth will be actually same as the length here. That is 3 meter. Getting it?
Okay.
Yeah, Alex, tell me what answer you have got for third question. What about you guys? Nafis and Habib is not here. Yeah, Habib, you guys
So,
haven't
should
solved
I
any of the
also do
question?
the third question that Lakshya is doing?
Yeah. Do it. You guys got the answer for second question or not?
Yes.
Yeah, you already got. But Habib, what about you?
Sir, I'm done with the third one also.
Yeah, tell me the answer.
Sir, for me, the answer I'm getting is 200 grooves could be planted.
200 grooves to be planted. Okay. You also solve the given question, Nafis. Meanwhile, you move to the next question. Laksh. Now look at this question here. Question number 4. Fajay, I'm referring to you. Look at question number 4. So the
Okay.
question here mentions that what would be the cost of fencing a rectangular park whose length is 150 meter and breadth is 120 meter. Okay, now let's suppose we are referring to this figure. Let's say, although
Okay.
this is a different figure. Suppose the length, as per the question, is 150 meter and breadth is 120 meter,
One.
and fencing has to be done. Fencing of this park has to be done, and the cost of fencing just 1 meter rate is how much?
40 rupees.
Rupees 40. So what will be the entire cost? Right now, what will be the total cost of fencing it? So first we have to find out the total length of
Perimeter.
the boundary, that is perimeter. So perimeter is going to be what? Again 2
150.
times. Mhm.
Yes.
Sir, for the fourth one, it is 21,600 rupees.
For the
Fourth one, that which you are doing.
this one you're answering.
Yes.
Okay. So thereby it's going to be 2 times length plus breadth now. Length given to you is
Yes.
150 and plus 120. That's going to be towards 70, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 2 times 270, that is 540. So we have found out the perimeter.
Hmm.
That is
Yes.
540
40.
meter. Okay. Then in order to calculate the total cost, it's equal to rate multiplied by the perimeter, right? So rate
Yes.
is given to us 8 now. 8 multiplied by 540. So
Hmm.
what will be it equal to? 8 fours are 32. In hand we carry 3. 8 fives are 40.
40.
Right? 40 plus 3, that is 43.
43.
And then we will write down the 0 here. So 4,320 is the total cost of fencing around this and around the given field. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So in this manner, you have to solve this. You will try to solve the remaining questions yourself. Wherever you will have any difficulty, we'll be discussing that.
From 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, not only that one, but let me circle the questions. You can write down the
Okay.
question number quickly, which you are required to solve. Question number 2, 3,
Okay.
5, and 6. Okay.
2, 3, 5, 6. Okay.
We'll be discussing this one in the next class for you. Okay.
Okay. So in the next class, I should be completed it.
Yeah, exactly. You have to come prepared and complete that.
Okay.
Now, you guys look at this question. You also look at this question, Kaja, by the way. It won't be
Okay.
an issue. So,
Okay.
question number 3, a rectangular coconut groove is 100-meter long and 50-meter wide. Okay.
Sir,
Length
for
and the
that one, I think it is 7,500.
for this one you're saying.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see. So, if each coconut tree requires 25 square meter, what is the maximum number of trees that can be planted in this groove? So, let us say that this is the area. Okay. It's a rectangular groove in which the length and the breadth is given to us 100-meter and 50-meter. Each coconut tree requires a minimum of how much? 25 square meter of
Yeah.
area, right now, like that. Okay, so how many coconut trees can be planted in this? Getting it? How many coconut trees can be planted in this? That is the question which is asked. So what we are going to do in order to find out the number of coconut trees that can be planted in it, you will be required to find the total area of the groove, and then you will divide it by the area of one coconut tree. Like how much area is required by one coconut tree to grow. Getting it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
So what will be the total area here? Length into breadth.
And in the
Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
And that is equal to?
Area is 5,000.
Well done. So that is 5,000 and the unit is square meter. Keep that in mind. So we are going to write it over here. Okay. And each coconut tree requires an area of how much? 25 square centimeter.
25.
Yes.
So we will write 25 here. Getting it, everyone?
You have to
So the
multiply.
answer will be 200.
Exactly. I think you said this earlier as well, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So
Sir, I'm done
all
with the fourth question A and B also.
oh, that's brilliant. So a total of 200 coconut trees can be only planted in this. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
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 Good to know. Question number 4. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. All measures are given in meter here. So let me zoom out first. So this figure is given here right now. Is there one simple formula to calculate the area? Obviously, no. Neither it's a complete square nor a rectangle or not resembling any other regular polygon. So we will have to do some constructions here. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We will try to make square or rectangles out of this figure here. Okay, now
Sir,
that
can
is
you
what.
tell the answer for A?
Okay, tell me.
Sir, for me, I'm getting 29 square meters
29 square meter
for A.
for A, you are saying. I'm afraid that might not be correct. Okay, what about others? Let's
Sorry,
give
30 square meters. 30 square
30
meters.
square meter. Okay. Let's try to break it into different figures, everyone. Okay, now. Okay, what can we do here? Or
Uh,
can we do something here? How about we draw a line from here and a line from here, and let's call this as a square, right? Please give me a minute.
okay.
Let's make some construction. Let's call this as square A. Okay.
Hmm.
Then we will do some more constructions here.
Sir, what about 1 to 4?
Yeah.
Sir, can we make a construction 1 to 4?
1, 2, 4. What do you mean?
Sir, can I show my image, like the
Okay.
construction I did?
Okay. Show it to me. Hold on. I'll have to zoom.
It's this one.
Okay. Like that, you have done 4 and then 3. Okay. Then okay, that also looks correct. Good. You can do it like that also. Now pay attention here, everyone. Let's call this as figure B, and that is going to be rectangle, right?
Yes.
Rectangle B. Okay, what do we have here? Let's call this C.
C.
Will that be a rectangle or a square?
Square.
Square number C. And what are we left with now?
D.
D.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle D. Okay. What are the sides of the square A here?
4
3.
and 3.
How can it be 4 and 3? 4 is the length of this entire side, no?
Oh,
We are
yeah,
taking
sorry.
only
3.
this much, no? So 3 times 3, hence that is
Yeah, I was
9.
No.
No issues. 9 square unit, okay now?
Okay.
What about B now?
2 into 1.
This
Yeah,
much
2,
is
B.
going
1,
to be
2 into 2.
1.
Yeah,
Yes, it's going to be 2
2.
square
it's
Yeah,
units.
it's going to be 2
2
into
square
1 now,
unit
because this much
Yeah.
is 2, so this much is 1. So hence 2 times 1, that is going to be 2 square
per unit.
unit. Now you guys tell me about C.
Meters, it's written. All
Yeah.
measures are given in meters. It's meters.
Oh, it's oh yeah. Oh, thanks for pointing out that. Okay. Anyways, I will write it at the last. Okay, no issues. Yeah. Next one about C.
3
3 into
3 by 2, 3. Yeah, 3
Careful,
by 3.
careful. 3 by 3 actually.
yeah.
For those who are not getting it, see this. There's someone from who's like there's so much of noise coming from one of your sides. Please try to sit in a quiet place. So this is 2 meters. So this much is also 1 meter. This will be 1 meter now. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Let's pay attention here. So that is 1 here. So this entire side is going to be 2 plus 1, that is 3, and this much is already given 3. So 3 times 3, and that is 9 square meter. Very good. Next, what about D? Yeah, seems a bit tricky,
1.
but not that difficult.
Sir, 4 by 1.
4 by 1. You sure about it? That is
Uh,
4 by 1.
because the 3 is a little offset.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a second. Is it 4 by 2?
It is 4 by 2 actually. Good. Look here. This much of side, this much of entire side is going to be 2 plus 1, 3 now. So this much is 3. That is for sure. This much is 1. So this entire length is going to be 3 plus 1, and hence this much is 4. Right now that much is 4. Getting it. Now if you were to look at this much, right now this much is 1. So does this much not look double of 1? Double of 1 meter?
Uh,
Yes.
Yes.
right now. So that is
Yes.
2. So thereby that is going to be 2 times 4 and hence 8 square meter. Add all the
28.
area.
20. Yeah.
Exactly.
9 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 8, 28.
Very good. So that is 28 square meter. Hope everyone have understood.
I was
Yes,
Yes.
much
sir.
ahead.
That's good. Okay, quickly solve the question number B yourself. Do you guys solve the question number B
Sir,
yourself?
I'm done already.
Hold on, please, Laksh. You can answer in the chat box only. Okay.
Okay.
I want others also to solve it themselves. Yeah, sorry, Habib, Fajar, and Nafis solve it.
Okay.
Answer is, yeah, that's correct. Very good. Good luck. So in the remaining time, what you can do, if you have your NCERT book open, you can move to page number 139. We have done question from this one also, by the way. Laksh, you open this page. Okay, na? Open that page from your book. I hope you have downloaded the NCERT PDF. If not, quickly download it. We have only 2 minutes left. Download the chapter, perimeter, and area, Ganita Prakash, and then open page number 139. That's for you, Laksh, only. Then there, look at the tangram pieces. Anyone done with this question? Nafis, Habib, or Hoja?
No, sir.
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. I will give you a hint. Break this into 3 different figures, into 3 parts.
Sir, I've done that.
Done that?
Same.
Okay, good,
I'm also solving it.
good. Let me give you one more hint. Like, we will make one construction here and another construction will be done over here. Okay, like that. You can call this as X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. For this, it is easier. Calculation of area of this one is also very easy right now. Because if this much is going to be 2, so this much is also going to be 2. It's
2
going to
into
be
1.
2 into 1 exactly. Okay. And this much is 1 now, because the entire length of this side here is 3. So thereby, the remaining one is going to be 1 now. Right, Khaja? Right, Habib? This one is also 1. And this one
Yes.
is given. So the area of this one
Yes,
is
sir.
5 into 1, that is
5.
5.
5.
5.
But for this
5
one,
square meter.
and that is 2 square meter, and that is also
20.
2 square meter. Hence, 2 plus 2 plus 5,
2
that is going
square.
to be
7.
9 square meter now.
9.
9.
Okay, now. Good.
Yes.
So, Khaja, if you
Yes, sir.
get some time now, try to do
Yes.
this question also. Try to read this question at least. This one over here. Okay, now?
Which one? This
This
the
figure given
square
to you.
one.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
After this, try to do this one also. Like, try to at least read the question properly so that it will be easier to discuss in the class.